In previous government, Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, he did a lot of great apacharas in Tirumala Kshetra. He saw Tirumala Kshetra as a business center. He never recognized Tirumala Kshetra as a pilgrim center, as a spiritual center. He used the Tirumala Kshetra for his own property, own money, own company. He totally he impaired the sanctity of Venkateshwara Swami. He impaired the laddu. He impaired he never respect to the sentiments of Hindus. He totally done a great mistake. His idea is a Jerusalem agenda, a Christian agenda. In order to whatever it may be, impurity. When he wanted to ruin the sanctity of all Hindu kshetras, all the Hindu pilgrims will automatically, they were so much of far to the Hindu Devata Devi temples. This is the main motive of Jagannath Reddy. This is the hidden Christian agenda. He never respected Venkateshwara Swami. He never signed the declaration. He never took his wife for the Brahmosavas. He never came. So in this way, he do all the mistakes, and he done all the mistakes. So we were condemned all the issues, and we are request to the TTD and the government to take necessary steps and to whatever it may be, they have to put the FIR copies immediately, and they have to punish it. They have to punish it in the court. This is the main demand of Crorepati of Hindus.